The _init method in Python is crucial for initializing objects. It sets initial values for object attributes, ensuring each instance starts with a defined state. This method is automatically called when a new object is created, allowing for customized initialization. Understanding _init is essential for leveraging the full potential of object-oriented programming in Python. Object-oriented programming, OOP, models real-world entities as objects, combining data and behaviors into cohesive units. Classes serve as blueprints, defining structure and capabilities, while objects are instances created from these templates. For example, a dog class defines attributes like breed and age, with each dog object having unique values, mirroring real dogs' shared characteristics and individual identities. The _init method is crucial for object creation in Python, automatically setting up an object's initial state. It acts like a backstage crew, ensuring everything is ready before the object is used. Without it, you'd manually configure each attribute, which is both tedious and error-prone. The init method begins with def init self parameters, using double underscores to denote its special status in Python. The self parameter refers to the current object instance, enabling attribute assignment. Custom parameters like name, age, or email allow for specific initialization. For instance, in class dog, attributes like name, breed, and age are set during object creation. In the person class, the _init method initializes each instance with unique attributes like name and age. The self parameter ensures these attributes are linked to specific instances. Each object, such as Alice or Bob, maintains its own data. Methods like introduce can access these attributes, demonstrating how objects interact with their data.